from Webbers and I'm here today at Kenwith Meadows. This is a stunning development of 2-bedroom bungalows built by Chichester Developments for the over 65s community and set in the beautiful grounds of Kenwith Castle care home. We are down to the last few plots remaining, so let's take a look around one of these beautiful properties. Are all finished to a very high standard with high ceilings and plenty of windows letting in lots of natural light, open plan living accommodation, 2 good sized double bedrooms, a wet room and an ensuite shower room. All remaining plots now also come with flooring included throughout, so ready to move straight into. I'm now here inside the pavilion, which is a social hub for the residents at Kenwith Meadows. They hold plenty of events, activities and themed nights, and it's also a good place for them to come to socialise, have a cup of tea, catch up with their friends, and they can also get some essential items from the small shop here. Homes are only a 5-minute drive away from the seaside village of Westwood Hoe, and you're also very close to the town centre of Bideford and all its local amenities. As these are the last few plots remaining, they won't be around for long, so if you do have any questions or want to arrange a viewing, please give us a call on 01237 472 344.